Once again, good morning, and here is the aftermath. It's still snowing actually. It's amazing. Oh man. I don't even know how I'm going to get these out. There's a Suzuki Vitara XL7 underneath this. Well, there's the Shogun. Shows you how deep those are 31-inch tyres. Oh, Jesus. There's a Fiesta. Oh my god. That's crazy. Even though I'm going to get... Wow. Just wow. Look at the van. This snowdrift here is so deep. But got a bit of help. You see, she wants to start. What a good girl. Lights. So we can have a good look around. I've lost the tractor, the wife is off back to work, and that's how you tell she's a farmer. So, made a bit of a pile, I don't know if the size comes over on camera, just how big that is, but that is almost as tall as the tractor. But yeah, it is. So now, just got to hand dig out the back of the cars. I think I'll try and clear around. Yeah, I've got to try and clear around and get them all out really. But yeah.
Keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. down in the dirt. Been real bad.
A hula hula hula.
I've been real bad, boy, on the town all night. Starting to calm down in the morning light. I've been down in the dirt. Down in the dirt. Down in the dirt.
I was hoping to have had everything done to show you the completed, finished, cleared drive, but yeah, I didn't get further than just getting the cars out because most of the tractors are stuck. The big tractor with the plough is stuck at a property a few kilometres away. It's taking the other one to go and rescue that one. Oh, because they just can't see the roads and starts ploughing. It's just so easy to slip into the ditch. So this will have to wait hopefully till and get it done tomorrow. But it said the temperatures are dropping. No, it's minus 20 I think they're going to do tonight. Yeah. So it's minus 20 tonight. But all throughout tomorrow it gets colder to a maximum of minus 24. So I don't even think we'll be doing any tractor driving tomorrow. Not sure because that cold is really hard on hydraulics. Eventually, finally got it all cleared. The van back in its place. But we have some huge piles of snow now. The beast did good. Size of that pile, it's rather big. I found my plough. There it is. We're gonna have some lunch now, and then we're gonna go and go down to Ash and Marie and clean theirs up.
One way to make an entrance.
Oh mate! So here comes my latest trainee tractor driver. Give her a quick drive in the beast. Never driven a tractor before. So.
It's like driving a feather, a gigantic feather.
Yeah. It is really, really, really nice.
I'll tell you what though, the ploughing has given me an idea.
What, an expensive idea?
No.
What?
What does that pile look like to you?
A big pile of snow and a really big hill to sledge down.
Or what could be inside it?
An igloo.
Oh yeah.
You need to pack it down a bit first.
Yeah.
Actually going to make an igloo.
People keep telling me to.
There we go.
That's got to happen.
That's not an igloo, that's like an igloo mansion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like multi-room.
Yeah. There's a bathroom, toilet. Awesome. You don't need to do the barn now, you just live here.
Live in there.
Yeah. Hello, my dude. Hello, my dude. You should be ages, haven't you? No, you should be ages. No. Oh, it's good. I'm trying to vlog while driving the tractor. Bye bye! Bye! Right. That's that job done. All finished. So now I'm gonna go home and have a coffee. Minus 22. And the camera's really not liking this temperature. So I'll see you at home. You gotta admit, that's freaking beautiful.